Hello folks, my name's Kevin Upton. I'm coming to you from Long Lewis Ford in Corinth, Mississippi with an instructional video. Ford has a great feature now. With Sync 3, you can access your Alexa and talk to Alexa in your vehicle. And we're going to show you how to do that today. First thing you have to do is download the Alexa account. It's Ford+Alexa right here. You're going to have to agree to permissions and sign in to your Alexa account. Folks, you've got to disable Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. You got to log into your Amazon Alexa account here. You got to accept all the terms and conditions from Amazon, and now our Ford Pass plus Alexa is going. We enable mobile apps here on Sync 3, and then we go to mobile apps and we access Ford Alexa. Hello Alexa. Alexa, what's the temperature outside?
Expect a high of 53 degrees.
And folks, now you have Alexa in your new Ford. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps you connect it and get everything going. Have a great day.